What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Meg, and I'm back with another video. It is Vlogmas Day 18. Who y'all? Okay, first of all, if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. We officially made it over 600 subscribers. Give it up to y'all. Give it up to the mob. Thank y'all. If you're returning to the channel, thank you for kicking it with me. I appreciate you. So today, we're doing the Joy Bells ringing portion of the Happy collaboration. The holiday and party items collaboration. If you saw my video of baking the cake, that was part 1 of the collab. This is part 2. So, okay, what we gotta do is either bake cookies or make bake cookies or do edible ornaments. So I decided to put my foot in to the edible ornament. Okay, so you see here, I got some ornaments. Now this ain't edible, but just bear with me. I got some chocolate, I got some marshmallows, and I got some sprinkles. And we got some other items too as well, but they'll be coming later. But we're gonna I'm gonna try to make a chocolate mold in these, and make it edible. We're gonna try. We're gonna see what happens. I don't know. But of course I gotta open every single one of these balls of candy. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So I need all the chocolate I can get. I can't lose no chocolate. All right, last chocolate ball. Well, I lost it. I wouldn't lose the last one. That's fine. That's okay. Now, we're going to go ahead and melt down this chocolate so we can make our molds. I'm going to come back. I'm going to have these sprayed and buttered so that the chocolate will stick, will not stick inside of this mold. So here's the chocolate now. So y'all, of course, something always has to go wrong when I do something. I'm melting the chocolate, and I melted it a little bit too long, so it burnt the bottom of the bowl, but we're gonna use it now. And I got I molded my, I coated my molds with oil just a little, really thin. I'm talking about thin coat of oil, because I don't want the chocolate to stick, or this is not gonna work at all. So what I'm gonna do now is just pretty much spread this chocolate all into the molds and just kind of make it a circle, a round circle, pretty much. I do hope this will work. This is my prayer that this will work. much, but see what I'm doing? Just putting all the chocolate that's in it, and just spreading it around. I might do this with my finger because the knife don't really seem to be working that much. And I really want it to be evenly distributed around the whole entire mold, around the whole thing. Pretty good. I mean, I think look pretty good to me. All right, now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna try to do y'all's take some of the chocolate out because I don't want it to be too thick and I don't want it to cake at the bottom of the ornament. So I want to take some out so it can just kind of be thin, as thin as possible, but still full. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna take some of it out. So this is how they look. I'm gonna close this up. Well, actually, no. I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put my marshmallows, my little filling. I got a little marshmallow filling. I love marshmallows, y'all. I haven't had marshmallows in so long, but okay. Go ahead and put my marshmallows in there, and then I'm just gonna let that cool with it. All right. So we're gonna close this up. Here we go. Finally! Close it up, go like that. I'm gonna throw this in the refrigerator. Google said that chocolate doesn't take that long to get cold and hard. So I'll be right back to do the finishing touches.
A few moments later.
All right. All right, y'all. It's been a minute. Hopefully, I think it's ready. We're gonna. Oh wait. Oh, it's so delicate. Now this side came out great. It's so delicate though. It's so delicate. So what I want to do, oh, it needs to be a little thicker. But it's okay though. It's okay because guess what? We still did that damn thing. We still did it. What I'm gonna do though is kind of mixing my cake with this. So I'm also gonna do only one side since it is really thin, because it's coming apart. But what I'm going to do, what I plan on doing, was I'm going to pour some of this caramel sauce. I'm going to pour some of this over the ornament. If it ever comes out. All right. So I'm going to take this and just kind of spread it over. Ooh, it's going to break, y'all. I'm gonna do this quick so it don't break. And I'm gonna sprinkle some Heath bars on it. just like my cake that I made earlier in the first part of the collaboration. You know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to put this back into the mold so it can just sit in there. And I'm going to put some sprinkles on it. This was fun, y'all. Put some sprinkles. Oh, just gotta do it like this, I guess. So it can be all nice and festive. And dun, 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 dun. It's my edible ornament. I mean, I think it came out decent. I probably should have put some more chocolate. Well, no, not probably. I should have put some more chocolate. But for what it is, and then of course you can always close it up and just got the little ornament string right there. Just put it on your tree. Yeah, here we go. It's done. That's it. Okay, cool. Y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this crazy mess video. Stuff everywhere, but I had fun with it. I really wanted to do that. I've been talking about it the whole time. Like, I'm gonna try this because I know anybody can go to the store and get some cookies and bake them, but I really wanted to have some fun. So that's what I did. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to join the mob. And Vlogmas Day 18 is a wrap. Megs out.